How to make Shopify store live. In this video, I will show you how to make a Shopify store live. The first step is to open or launch any browser on your computer or mobile phone because the tutorial is the same on both Android and iOS devices. After that, you will land on the homepage of the app where you will see different options and sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, proceed and tap on the online store section. It is found here under the Sales Channels option. After that, the section expands to reveal more options as you can see here. Next, navigate through these options and tap this one here named Preferences. Finally, you will land on this page where there are different preferences you can choose for your shop. As you can see here, we're being notified that the store access is restricted. This means only visitors with a password can access your online store. This is the reason why people cannot see your live store. So to make the store go live, you have to scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Finally, come this section here of the page named Restricted Store Access. As you can see here, there is an option named Restrict Access to Visitors with the Password. The option has a checkmark beside it. Also, this is where the password you should give to visitors so that they can view your store appears. What you'd have to do now is to disable this checkmark here. This will remove the password restriction from your store. After that, you have to scroll to the top of the page as there is a very important step remaining for us. Finally, after coming to the top section of the page, make sure you tap this Save button here so that the changes you have made can be saved. After doing that, anyone who visits your store will not be asked to log in using a password. The store will be available to everyone. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to make a Shopify store live.